Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Bill and today I'm representing my team to present our website, Green Remind. Green Remind is a website that was made by me, my friends Max, Steve and Axie. It was created using Codex and Python, and the purpose of it was to help people who wants to help reduce the problems of climate change but forgot to do basic tasks like turning off the lights after using it. So what does this website have to provide to us? So first, at the top of the website, there's this green bar that shows a streak of how many days that you have completed your daily task. It will be shown later. You can change this on however you want, either weekly, monthly or yearly, based on your preference. So this seed is called the Curious seed. Its name is Terra and my friend Max coded in it. It will grow once you reach the 7-day streak. I will just continue, follow on, and each time you click it, this sentence will change and it will mainly be positive and will usually give the user a little boost. So if you go down here, you can see these 3 buttons. So the first button is to start your own eco streak. When you click here, you can either use our already made task like bring a reusable bottle, turn off the lights before leaving, or a day without eating any meat, or you can add your own reminder here by filling out this gap. Here is the reminder title. You might want to type something. Let's just say I want to reuse a paper. Okay, and schedule either be daily or weekly. I would choose daily. And now we'll press add reminder, and now a new reminder is being added. It's reuse paper. When you are done, you can click this mark done. I will say the task was done. If you don't want to do the task, you can remove it. And if you complete all the daily tasks for one day, the streak will go up by 1 number. And this button is for people to see the impact on our task. So if you click it, and if you scroll a bit, you can see that there's some statistics here. Here is our current day streak, which is on 2 days. We have completed around 6 habits, and we have saved about 5.4 kilograms of CO2. We have saved around 246 liters of water, and we have the best day streak of 2 days. These calculations are pretty complex, and this button is for the website to allow you to show notifications per 6 hours while this page is open only. So this is the end of. So what's the problems while making this website? So firstly, we struggle a lot thinking about the idea because we enter this competition with absolutely no clue on what to do. We just discuss it about like 15 minutes and we just stick to it. Also, the code is really hard to use, and the codex just sometimes doesn't work at all. And we would try to improve it better, like either adding some more features to the website or make it accessible through multiple devices so people can use it anywhere. So yeah, that's the end of our presentation. Thank you everyone for listening.